Welcome back everybody, and thank you for joining me for this video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ryan and this is That Random Geeky Guy. Today we have a featured product from a company called iCosia. iCosia reached out to me because I'm kind of known for budget builds or doing things on a budget, and that's kind of why you find me in a slightly different setting today. So I'm at my father-in-law's house. Behind me is one of the budget builds that we put together, so it felt like a great environment to be in to talk about what's in this box. Well, what I hope's in this box, because I've got to unbox it, so hopefully it's what I think it is and it's matching with the title above. So anyway, they reached out to me because of budget builds, doing things on a budget, getting good quality, good value products that support PC building, video creation, and all that sort of stuff. So in here, I'm hoping, as per the title, there is some lighting equipment to do vlogs, videography, streaming, whatever it might be, on a budget, but done well. So anyway, let's dig into this nondescript brown box that got delivered to me a couple of days ago. So I'm going to be doing this with you guys. So what I'll do is I'm going to pop this up onto here, and then we'll slowly but surely go through everything that's included in this box. So first things first, there is a very basic instruction manual, and it looks like it's a complete solution in terms of video lighting. Like I said, on a budget. Okay, we've got a phone holder. So if you're shooting on a phone, it comes with that. You've got a bracket and ball joint. I'm sure this will make a bit more sense in a minute when we dig back into more items. Aha, we have a tripod. So this is for the lighting rig. It's pretty cool. So this is kind of like a complete set. This is everything that you need to do some form of lighting to improve your stream or videos. Let's try and get that into some kind of recognizable format. Feels pretty good. It's not too bad. And then it's essentially on top of that, it's a monopod. So we can extend that up. We're going to do this and get it all put together on video so you guys can see what's included in the pack and if it's something that would be useful to you. There we go. So that's up to there. Let's bring this one up a little bit and tighten that off. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a remote. So whatever this is, it's also remote control. Okay, and that's it. And then we've got this, which has a picture of a ring light. So let's get this box out of the way and go into the next one. So like I said, the theme here is value, good value, budget. I'm not using the word cheap. You'll notice I'm not using the word cheap. In my opinion, with any product, you aren't looking for it to be cheap, you're looking for it to be value, good value for money. And hopefully this achieves just that. Okay, that's quite interesting. So this is USB powered. You've got a ball mount there, so you can adjust in any angle of the light. This is all metal, by the way, as well. Really good. USB, it's got an inbuilt physical remote. It's also got another phone holder built in here. So that's all on a flexible mount pole. So bring that up nice and close so you guys can see it. A flexible mount pole. So I think what we're looking at here is, let's just pop that back down. The first phone holder and this little stand, I'm assuming that pops into there to hold the phone. So that little adapter pops into here and holds the phone. And you can then, if you wanted to, mount it to the actual monopod or tripod with the legs at the bottom to hold the phone below the light ring. That is if you want the phone to be right in the middle of the light ring. Quite clever, a lot of choices. Okay, and it is USB powered. Let's get it onto here. So this should all be quite simple at this point. So let's screw this on. I'd say the first thing I'm impressed by is that this is a lot of metal in its design. Don't get me wrong, the light ring's plastic, but all of this is metal. The little ball joint tripod is also metal. You get this nice and tight so that it's on there. Yeah, pretty good. What do you guys use for lighting solutions at the minute? Actually, let's angle that your way a little bit. So yeah, what do you guys do for lighting solutions at the moment if you're shooting videos? I've intentionally not got my main lighting panel set up for this because I knew it was going to be a video about lighting and I didn't want to kill the effect of this by putting one of my lights up on there to kind of see what it's doing. But I use LED light panels at the moment and in this room at the moment it's just being illuminated by some LED light strips that are under my father-in-law's hobby table. So yeah, what do you guys do for lighting? Now, just while I'm finishing undoing all of this sort of stuff, in the UK, from a pricing perspective, this particular piece of kit is less than £30 and includes everything that you see. So let's get that all undone. What I'm then going to do is I'm going to go and grab a USB battery pack so that we can get this powered up and see it all working. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have got a battery pack here ready to plug this in. I didn't want to do it in case it turns straight on, and I wanted you guys to see that effect firsthand. So here we go, let's plug it in. It didn't do anything, that's all right then. Okay, so on here we've got a number of buttons. It's obviously has lit up to say that it's got power. I guess let's do the inevitable, let's turn it on. Oh wow, okay, that's really good. It's very well diffused. I don't know how well it looks like on camera, but you aren't getting too much of the LED hotspots. There seems to be plenty of LEDs all the way around. Okay, what else have we got here then? So we can adjust brightness. That's good. So fully adjustable on here. And then we can cycle through different temperatures of color. That's really, really good. I'm actually really impressed by that. Okay, so let's move that around. How well is that illuminating me? So its challenge is versus the lighting that's coming from here. So let's just move myself forward a little bit so I'm kind of in the center of the shot. That's pretty good, isn't it? That's quite reasonable. And that's certainly workable as well. You can work really well with that. Let's see if we were to just undo the hot shoe here. Right, okay, so phone holder is out. All we have now is the light ring. I'm going to turn it your way just so you can see it's all working. There we go. Camera adjusts quite nicely. The reason I've done that is I want to push this back so it's around the lens of the camera and see what kind of lighting effect that gives. So let's do that. We're going to need to adjust the height of it a little bit. Sorry, my actual camera tripod's getting in the way, but there we go. Let's do that. So you guys can see quite clearly what the illumination effect looks like using this light ring. It's actually quite impressive. It's actually very good for less than £30. So there we go. A full kit, a full setup of basic lighting for doing videography, for doing vlogs, for doing Instagram, for doing TikTok, for doing streaming. A light ring that takes care of everything that you need in one package. Let's try the last little bit of kit in here, which is the remote. I think it's probably quite obvious what this is going to do. So let's get this out. I imagine there's going to be a pull tab in this somewhere, or is it just going to work? Nope, it's got a pull tab under the battery. Let's pop that all into place. Ah, okay, that's quite clever. This isn't what I thought it was. That's amazing that they're including this within the package. So this isn't to control the light. You control the light through this. This is a Bluetooth shutter control for your camera, for your phone. So essentially you can connect this to this, have the light ring out there. When you're ready to go, click the button and we will start recording. Click it again, we'll stop. That's all included. So we've got a Bluetooth shutter remote for your phone, a tripod all-in-one stand for the lights. You've got the light ring, 2 different phone holders, as well as a light ring that has different temperatures and different brightnesses for less than £30. Okay, so I know this is a sponsored video, guys, but I'm actually really impressed with not only this light ring, but what you actually get for your money. So you've got, like I said, you've got a light ring, which I think is great, and it's got different color temperatures, you can adjust the brightness, so on and so forth. Fantastic, USB powered, nice and easy, nice and simple. You've also got the kind of monopod, tripod contraption, fully metal, nice, really, really variable heights. You can go really high with this thing and seems to be pretty stable. And again, like I said, made of metal, which is pretty cool. You've got this remote, which I thought was a remote for the light, but it's not. It's a Bluetooth shutter remote for your phone. You've got one phone holder, which sits into the horseshoe adapter that's in the middle of the ring lights, so you can hold your phone right in the center. You've then got another phone holder, as well as mount to go onto the actual monopods for less than £30. That's exceptionally good value. And like I said, I know this is a kind of a sponsored video because they sent me this for free to have a look at, but guys, we're known for budget builds. We're known for good value stuff here, and I think this definitely falls within that. I'm kind of glad I did this, and kind of glad I did the video for you guys. If you've got any questions about this, don't forget to hit it down in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you've got. But you know what? I didn't pay for this. I was sent this for free. So who wants it? Let's do a giveaway for it as well. So if you think you could benefit from having this ring light and utilizing this, let's say you're streaming on Twitch, let's say you're making TikTok videos, let's say you're blogging, vlogging, whatever it might be, say you're making YouTube videos, and this light will come in useful to you, make sure that you stick a comment below saying, I don't know, give me the light, and make sure you give a thumbs up to this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. So providing you do those things, you'll be entered in, and I'll pick somebody at random who can have this, and we'll get it sent out to people as well. So guys, absolutely fantastic. If this is the sort of thing that you like and this thing will help you, there will be a paid link in the video description where you can go and check this out and get yourself one as well. If you want to support the channel in any other ways, you can also head on over to thatrandomgeekyguy.com, pick up one of these Stealth Traces t-shirts. Massively supports the channel, and I think they're pretty cool. And then finally, if you want to support the channel for free, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like and share this video with other people. If you didn't like the video, give it a thumbs down. All feedback is appreciated. Other than that, thank you for this being sent out, and also thank you for you guys for tuning in to check it out. Let's see you guys next time.